You have done the soundproofing, but the noise is still there? Sound familiar? Most people think it's down to the material. They think soundproofing simple doesn't work. But in fact, the reason is quite different. A car is an acoustic system. Noise travels through the floor, wheel arches, roof and suspension. And no amount of sticking material on the door will stop it. The first reason is that the metal continues to vibrate. The material on top doesn't stop this. The second is that the layer of material have been applied in the wrong order, and each layer has its own function. The third is that only the doors have been treated, but noise is still travel through the floor, wheel arches and roof. The fourth is that nobody has identified where the noise is actually coming from. And without that, any work is just a shot of the dark. Soundproofing isn't just a case of putting more material, and it's a system. And either you have it or you don't. Welcome to CTK Europe channel. For over 10 years, we have been studying the nature of noise, vibration and acoustic comfort in the car. Over that time, we have built our own manufacturing facility and partner network across dozens of countries, and a testing system that lets us verify the effectiveness of our material not with words, but with measurements. We know it all starts with understanding the nature of noise. That's what this channel is about. Subscribe so you don't miss it.